Biniam, good to see you to start the season with your new colors. Tell us a bit, what's the feeling first on the first one, and how has been the shape so far?
Yeah, I think it's been quite a long time since my last race, so I'm happy to be back, especially with the new team, new jersey. It always gives you some extra boost. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to begin my season here in Valencia.
And a race where you have already won in the past too.
Yeah, indeed. I have already a good memory in this race. I won the first stage, and I had a yellow jersey, so that's actually I never actually used before. So yeah, I have a good memory. So hopefully today also to do the same.
Yeah, and the first one is always a hard one to take the good habit with your teammates, and it's a really long straight line to the sprint. So what did you tell your teammates to do for the final?
No, actually we had a camp last week, so we get know each other on training, I would say. But of course on training on the race is difficult. But I would say all of them, they are experienced enough, they are mature enough. So yeah, let's for sure the first day will be a bit different, but I'm trust my teammate, and of course also I have a good motivate on them to bring to start on the good way.
All the best. Thank you very much.